Go home happy with the 2024 Honda CR-V. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, heated front seat. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.